Today I'm gonna show you difference between store-bought telescope and homemade telescope. Let's go. Through store-bought telescope, the image is quite sharp and there is no chromatic aberration since it uses achromatic lens. This is a 100,000 mm telescope. Through 1000 mm telescope, the field of view is pretty shrinked and there is lot of chromatic aberration. Through 500 mm telescope, the field of view has grew. The field of view has increased, but the chromatic aberration remains constant. Since I am using normal eyeglass lens, so the chromatic aberration is there. Now I have combined the both lens 1000 mm and 500 mm. That makes the total focal length to be 333.33 mm. This increases the FOV and also the image appears little bit sharper, so the chromatic aberration remains same. Let's insert the lens into the body tube made out of Pringle. Let's put the anti-reflection hood. Our telescope is ready, so let's observe.
Like this video and subscribe for more astronomy video. And if you want to see how I made this telescope, then you know what to do. Wink.